Hello, dear students. How are you two all? I hope all of you feel good. Students, today I am going to teach you chapter number 5 of our social science book. It is a very important chapter of our social science book, beta. So please, students, you have to be attentive. We will start civic parts. Open page number 25. How we govern our community. Civic part, that is our unit 3rd. Okay, we'll start our class, beta. We live in India and the name of our country is India. You know very well. Our country is divided into states. You know very well. There are 28 states and 9 union territory in our India. In the state, there are many districts. States is having districts and districts is having villages. Students, our India is a democratic country. In our India, 2 types of governments are there. First one, central government. Another one, state government. In state government is having local self-government. Local self-government is divided into 2 parts. In this chapter, we will learn about local self-government in rural areas and in urban areas. Students, local self-government, it is divided into 2 parts. First one is municipality. It is in urban area. Another one is village level. It is in rural area. And it has Gram Panchayat. Village level, it has Gram Panchayat. Now let us start our chapter, beta. Communities, both urban and rural, required public utilities such as water supply, electricity, roads, educational institutions and healthcare facilities. Children, communities which has been urban or rural areas need this basic facilities required. This utility such as water supply, electricity, road, educational institutions and healthcare facilities. Water supply, you know that. Electricity also. Educational institute means schools and colleges. Healthcare facilities means hospitals, medical stores, this one. Okay, the responsibility of managing and controlling civic amenities lie with the government. The responsibility of managing and controlling civic amenities lies with the government. That means managing and controlling civic amenity, it is the responsibility of government. I think you understood, beta. Okay. The people of every village, the people of every village, the people of every town and the people of every city elect representative to govern their community. In other words, people themselves govern their community through their representative. The people of every village, town and city elect representative to govern their community. In other words, people themselves govern their community through their representative. This system is therefore called local self-government in India. Students, we know that our country is a democratic country. We choose our representative. We choose our representative through elections and they form the government. This system is called local self-government. Local self-government body for the rural areas is called panchayat. Is called panchayat. In other words, people themselves govern their community through representatives. This system is therefore called local self-government. In India, the local self-government for a rural area, the local self-government body for a rural area is called panchayat, and the local self-government body for an urban area is called municipality. I think you understood beta. We know that our country is a democratic country. We choose our representative. We choose our representative through an election and they form the government. This system is called local self-government, already I told you. And local self-government body for a rural area. For a rural area, that means village area, is called panchayat. The local self-government body for an urban area is called municipality. We are in urban area. We all live in urban area. So we all having municipality. I think you understood beta. This picture shows people themselves govern their community through their representative. We choose our representative through election and they form government. Already I told you beta. We choose our representative through election and they form the government. So we all require their civic amenities. So we need water supply, electricity, educational institutes, healthcare facility and roads. This is our basic amenity or public utility. These facilities are provided by local self-government. All these facilities are provided by local self-government. They control and manage their amenity for us only. Okay, I think you understood beta. Now, local self-government. Local self-government, it is divided into two parts. First one is the panchayat, and another one is municipality. Okay, I think you understood beta. Now let us talk about the advantages of local self-government. Local people and their representative are in the best position to understand the problems of any village or town. So problems are not neglected. And people help to solve them quickly as it is for their own good. Okay, the local people and their representative means वो वहीं के रहने वाले होते हैं. So local people and their representative दोनों अच्छी तरह से सारी प्रॉब्लम समझते हैं. Problems of village or town are properly understood by them. इसलिए प्रॉब्लम्स को इग्नोर निगलेक्ट नहीं करते. इसलिए प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्यूशन क्विकली निकाल लेते हैं. Local people and their representative are in the best position to understand the problem of any village or town. So problems are not neglected and people have to solve them quickly as it is for their own good. The experience of dealing with problems makes the local people self-reliant and responsible. This enables them to act responsibly during emergencies. The experience of dealing with problems, ये लोग प्रॉब्लम को खुद ही फेस करते हैं. जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होते हैं, they experience and deal the problems. Because of this, they get a good practice of dealing with problems. They became independent and more responsible. Because of this, in any emergency situations, also they handle everything properly. For example, during cyclones or flood, they can start rescuing and relieving work before any help arises from the state and central government. I think, is that clear to you, beta? In next video, it is enough to you in this video. Okay, now thank you.